I'm at Din Tai Fung for dinner.
I like
Bok choy.
a lot of
Cucumber salad.
I'm low-key.
Ow, it's hot! Okay, pork, soup dumplings. Okay, sucking out the soup first. Okay, some sauce.
No, my bib.
Okay, pork and shrimp hot sticker.
The rice.
Everything is delicious.
Kelsey, do you need to do this first?
Chicken fried rice.
Oh, those are good.
So good.
Did you try this one, Dave? The rice is amazing.
The rice is so good. I think this is pork and shrimp dumpling. I don't know. Whoa! Insane!
What?
The pork and shrimp dumpling. God damn.
Beechwood bacon. Really?
Okay, garlic green beans. These are so good. Okay, noodles with spicy sauce.
Spicy. Yeah. Chicken shell.
Okay, chicken spicy wonton. Okay, this one's a chicken soup dumpling instead of pork. Aha! And fried noodle. I'm so full.
Everything.
Everything? Yeah.
These are good.
This is the best thing on the entire menu. They're the chocolate dumplings. And then you dip them in this sweet cream with sea salt on top. It's so insane.
Oh, I lost it. Wow.
Are you fucking serious? Oh my god. One of the best things to ever
It's one of the best
be
things ever.
inside my mouth.
No, I
Like, it's like a spiritual experience every single time I eat this. Oh no, it's falling.
I want last one.
Oh my god.
It's magic. Like it's actual
Magic.
magic.